How to fix update error in Tower of Fantasy. 1. Check and free up more hard space on your computer or mobile device. Hint, you may need to rid of some other unused apps or data. 2. Ensure your security software allow TOF_launcher.exe through its settings. 3. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 4. Contact Hada Studio by https://twitter.com/TOF_n_official. Or support at toweroffantasy-global.com.